Hi! In front of me is VIVO S17 and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Apps. Now select App Clone at the bottom and click on the gray switcher next to one of your apps that you wish to clone, in my case, Facebook. Then wait, and when your app is ready, go back. So when I check, as you can see, Facebook was successfully cloned. If you wish to delete this clone, go back to the same settings and tap on No Blue switcher next to your app. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!